Alright guys, Rocky here, and Hollow God 2670 got me some Metal Raiders packs for a really good price. So I wanted to open one up for him since he asked me to, the first one. Let's see what we get in the first pack. The other ones, I think like two are going into my, well, one is going into my sealed collection, and then the other two are going to be put into my 100 subscriber opening for YouTube. So yeah, Lava Battle Guard, Coach Akachi, Morinfin, Stimpex, and Hoshiningen, Guardian, Tainted Wisdom, Harpy, and that. Alright. Yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, comment, subscribe if you'd like, and keep making those awesome pulls. Rocky out.